Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Not the Lazy Girls Meal Prep Plan, but the I'm just so busy to spend any amount of time in the kitchen this evening meal prep plan. You see the perspective, you guys? Welcome, everyone. Just getting home from work, super tired, but I still have a lot of things to do and I still need to nourish this body. So I am going to have dessert for dinner while still getting in my protein. And that is because I have created yet another delicious high protein smoothie milkshake is what I'm going to call it. And it is a Snickers flavored smoothie milkshake, you guys. High in protein, no sugar, super delicious. And it's going to come together really, really quickly. So come in close and let's put this container of deliciousness together in a matter of minutes. So if you guys have been following me, you know how I absolutely love cottage cheese in both my sweet, there you are, and savory recipes. So obviously tonight is going to be a sweet recipe. And what you do is you take that cottage cheese that normally has curds in it, you put it into your NutriBullet or your blender of choice, you blend for a few seconds, and then before you know it, you got the smooth and creamy. So this is what we're gonna get started with. Put this in our blender, continue to layer in the rest of these ingredients. Next, some peanut butter, and this is sugar-free. The only thing that is in here is peanuts and some salt. If you're interested in getting some for yourself, I purchased this from Thrive Market, the online market that allows you to shop by diet type, and they will deliver. I need to eat. And they will deliver the super clean ingredients right to your door. And this peanut butter is what is going to give this Snickers inspired smoothie, like that nougat flavor that you find in the Snickers bar. Let's go ahead and put some of this in the container. Add in some protein powder, sweetener of choice. And of course, if you wanted to enhance the flavor, but I think the flavor is already enhanced enough because the peanut butter already has some salt in it, you can always add a pinch of salt to this. Add some ice, because I want this nice and thick. As a matter of fact, I may need to add some more to that. And then you guys, that is it. Put the lid on this, bring over our NutriBullet, and we are going to blend. Okay, now this is the consistency. I think I want it just a little bit thicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some more ice out of the freezer. And then I am going to blend this. And then we should be good to go. Now this is ready. So the next thing that we need to do is to melt some chocolate. So in this little container, I've got some milk chocolate, sugar-free. And to help it melt and then also to manage the consistency of it, you can put some butter in this. You can put some coconut oil in it. I happen to have a dessert olive oil. This has hints of the notes of chocolate in it. Got this from Amazon. Absolutely delicious, you guys. I use this all the time when I am melting my chocolate. So I'll just put a little bit of this in there. Okay, and off to the microwave. This is gonna go for 20-second increments until this is nice and melted and smooth and silky. Okay, this is ready. All right, stop playing with my food. Okay. My serving container, little mason jar, got that from Amazon as well. Glass straw, environmentally friendly. And our smoothie milkshake. And a few pieces of ice in there, but that's okay. Nice. The chocolate. Go ahead and drizzle that in there. as much or as little as you want, but I want the much this evening because it was just one of those kind of days and I deserve it. And you know, another thing I could have done to you guys, I could have taken some of this and I could have like put it in the jar first so that you would have seen like the streaks of the chocolate coming down the side. But I didn't think about that at the time. So next time. Okay. Another thing that you can do too is you can take some nuts and chop those up and put those on top. But you know what? I don't feel like chopping nuts this evening. So this is it, you guys. The finished product. All right, everyone, and here it is, my dessert for dinner. I'm telling you, I'm going to spoil myself this evening, but at the same time, I am going to be good to myself because this is sugar-free, it's low carb, it's high protein, and it came together in a matter of minutes. Give it a try. Let me know how you feel about it by leaving it in the comments. Also, you guys, please do me an honor of sharing this video, subscribing to my channel, and also inviting others to subscribe to my channel if you feel like they will enjoy the content that I am bringing you all here. So once again, I want to thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you guys real soon and enjoy. That's so good. Ooh, look at that chocolate down there. Oh, yum. I just did something, you guys.